Hey there, card folk, Speed Robo here. And in this tutorial for how to play System Gate Online, we're going to show the System Gate Play Network, your account, and how to build decks. So, in order to get your deck constructed, go ahead and log in. You can use your email and your password, or simply sign in with Google. Once you've signed in, go to the Decks tab. You'll be able to see many decks built by our wonderful community members available to play and try out right here. If you want to try out any of these decks, simply click on its three-dot button, copy the TTS code, go to that Tabletop Simulator game room we made in the previous one, and you'll notice the deck importer. Paste the code in, and the deck will be imported. Now the deck is ready to play in Tabletop Simulator. Going back to the Play Network, click on My Decks. Hit Build a Deck if you haven't built any decks yet. And here's the deck builder. All the cards are loaded in, and you can use the features. Let's demonstrate the deck builder by building a Venus deck. So I'm going to filter to the planet Venus. You can also filter by card type, attribute, Gatemaster skill, sets, and more. If you mouse over a card, you'll be able to see that you can send it to your main deck, side deck, Gatemaster zone, or gate. I'm going to have Nord as my Gatemaster. I'm going to use Polaris Crag as my gate. If you click on the eyeball, you can enlarge the card. Next, I'm going to fill out the rest of the cards in the deck. Now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to increase the card amounts to the amount that I want in the deck. Great! You can preview the deck by clicking the preview button. Looks good to me. You can see how many of each card type you have in your deck. You can also check and see how many of each limit you have in the deck. And finally, go to Settings. You can add different tags to it, a description, what sort of tournament it's to be used for. You can even change its splash image. And make sure that you either set it to private or public, depending on if you want to share it, and make sure you click Save, so that the deck is saved. Awesome. Now go back to your Decks tab, and click on My Decks. You'll see your deck there. Copy the TTS code, go back to Tabletop Simulator, import the deck. And now you're ready to play with your very own custom deck.